Every day, doctors across the United States are turning to a simple household item, baking soda, as a recommended solution for various health issues. But what exactly is baking soda? Chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, it's a natural compound with alkaline properties. This means it can help neutralize acids and balance pH levels in the body. In addition to its use in cooking and cleaning, many physicians are recommending baking soda water as a simple, effective remedy for various health conditions. In this video, we'll explore 15 benefits of drinking baking soda water, backed by real-life examples of patients from all walks of life who were advised by their doctors to try this easy solution. From easing digestive woes to boosting kidney health, let's dive into how baking soda water can make a positive impact on your life. Are you ready? Number 1. Eases heartburn and acid reflux. John, a 45-year-old accountant from Texas, had been battling severe heartburn for years. Despite trying various medications, nothing seemed to offer lasting relief. His doctor suggested a daily glass of baking soda water, and within days, John noticed significant improvement. Baking soda acts as an antacid, neutralizing the stomach acid that causes heartburn and acid reflux, providing quick relief. Number 2. Improves kidney function. Mary, a 60-year-old retired teacher from Florida, was diagnosed with early-stage kidney disease. Her doctor recommended drinking baking soda water to help manage her condition. Studies have shown that baking soda can reduce acid levels in the blood, easing the workload on the kidneys. Mary's kidney function has since stabilized, and her energy levels have improved, helping her stay active and engaged in her community. Number 3. Helps manage urinary tract infections, UTIs. Sarah, a 30-year-old nurse from New York, faced frequent UTIs that disrupted her daily life. Her doctor recommended baking soda water to help neutralize the acidity of her urine, creating a less favorable environment for bacteria. Since then, Sarah has seen a reduction in UTI occurrences and feels more comfortable and confident. Number 4. Aids in athletic performance. Michael, a 25-year-old personal trainer from California, was looking for a natural way to enhance his performance. His sports doctor recommended baking soda water to help buffer lactic acid buildup in his muscles during intense workouts. This natural buffering agent allows Michael to push harder and recover faster, giving him an edge in his training. Number 5. Balances pH levels in the body. Lisa, a 50-year-old lawyer from Illinois, often felt fatigued and out of balance. After discussing her symptoms with her doctor, she was advised to drink baking soda water to help balance her body's pH levels. By reducing overall acidity, Lisa feels more balanced, experiences fewer energy slumps, and has seen improvements in her overall well-being. Number 6. Reduces gout symptoms. Robert, a 55-year-old construction manager from Ohio, was struggling with painful gout flare-ups. His doctor suggested adding baking soda water to his daily routine to help lower uric acid levels in his blood. This natural intervention has significantly reduced Robert's flare-ups, allowing him to enjoy activities he once avoided due to pain. Number 7. Boosts energy levels. Emily, a 35-year-old busy mother and freelance writer from Washington, felt constantly drained. After discussing her concerns with her physician, she was advised to try baking soda water to boost her energy levels naturally. Baking soda helps to counteract the effects of acid buildup in the body, which can lead to fatigue. Emily now feels more energetic and finds it easier to keep up with her busy family life. Number 8. Supports digestive health. David, a 40-year-old software engineer from Arizona, was dealing with chronic digestive discomfort, including bloating and indigestion. His doctor recommended a simple remedy, baking soda water. It works by neutralizing excess stomach acid, which can help ease digestion and prevent discomfort. David now enjoys meals without the nagging pain he used to experience. Number 9. Helps with mouth and throat infections. Jessica, a 20-year-old college student from Michigan, often suffered from sore throats and mouth infections. Her doctor recommended using baking soda water for gargling and drinking. Baking soda's antibacterial properties help reduce harmful bacteria, leading to fewer infections and faster recovery times. Jessica has found this remedy particularly helpful during stressful exam periods when her immune system is taxed. Number 10. Promotes better skin health. Lindsay, a 28-year-old graphic designer from Georgia, struggled with acne and irritated skin for years. After trying various creams and medications with limited success, her dermatologist suggested drinking baking soda water to help balance her skin's pH. Lindsay has noticed clearer, healthier skin and fewer breakouts since incorporating this simple change into her routine. Number 11. Reduces muscle soreness. Steve, a 38-year-old construction worker from Colorado, often experienced muscle soreness after long, physically demanding days. His physician recommended drinking baking soda water to help neutralize the lactic acid buildup in his muscles. This simple addition to his routine has reduced his soreness, allowing him to continue working without the usual aches and pains. Number 12. Improves bad breath. Anna, a 32-year-old real estate agent from Nevada, was embarrassed by persistent bad breath despite meticulous oral hygiene. Her dentist recommended baking soda water as a mouth rinse and to drink regularly. Baking soda helps neutralize mouth odors and reduces bacteria, leading to fresher breath. Anna has gained confidence in her social interactions and no longer worries about her breath. Number 13. Helps manage high blood pressure. James, a 50-year-old truck driver from North Carolina, was struggling to manage his high blood pressure with diet and exercise alone. His doctor suggested drinking baking soda water, noting its potential to help balance the body's pH and indirectly support blood pressure management. James has since seen a modest but noticeable improvement in his blood pressure readings, adding another tool to his health management plan. Number 14. Supports weight loss. Kelly, a 45-year-old school principal from Missouri, was finding it difficult to lose weight despite following a strict diet and exercise plan. Her physician recommended incorporating baking soda water, which can help improve digestion and boost metabolism. Kelly has noticed a gradual but steady weight loss and feels more motivated than ever to continue her health journey. Number 15. Natural antacid for stomach pain. Lastly, Peter, a 65-year-old retired police officer from Oregon, was dealing with chronic stomach pain that affected his quality of life. His doctor suggested baking soda water as a natural antacid to alleviate his symptoms. Peter has found that this simple remedy provides quick relief from his discomfort, allowing him to enjoy meals and social events without the fear of pain. And there you have it! From heartburn relief to supporting kidney function, the benefits of drinking baking soda water are numerous and impactful. It's amazing how something so simple can make such a big difference. However, always remember to consult your doctor before starting any new health routine, especially with baking soda water, as it's important to ensure it's suitable for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.